Okay, let's try. I already tasted this one. I made this one. And let's try that dinakdakan. Okay, I don't have a spoon. I'm gonna get a spoon first. Hold on. And this is Giovanni's water.
That's not my water.
You can have the one. That one is a water, a new water.
But we had we did crafts today. You know.
Let me get a cup for you now. So you can use a cup.
Usual water. Animals and land superheroes, wild animals.
Show it to them. Show what you're eating.
Here's some fruit.
What is that?
Orange and grapes and rice and adobo.
Rice and adobo. Okay, let's put the water first.
No.
Daddy is working, so he's not here tonight. And this is the dinakdakan. I'll try it.
I was planning to have dinner at...
It smells like sinuglaw in the Philippines, in Cagayan style.
I was planning to have a dinner outside.
Yeah, it really tastes like sinuglaw.
And then I was planning to have a dinner outside.
Yeah, when you have a covered patio. Okay? It tastes good though.
Okay, I said.
Thank you guys for letting me taste a sinuglaw. Ah, sinuglaw. Dinakdakan. Tastes good.
How do people get their birthdays?
I don't know if my husband will gonna eat this. This is my barbecue. Pork barbecue.
Kuya Tristan sisters are not bigger.
Magkinamot lang ta guys. Ako bitong akong rice kay bahaw. Dodo sa sauce. Soy sauce with calamansi. Lamig siya. Masarap. What was that? A paper file?
Light bulb?
Huh? No.
I think something metal broke. I think something that's made out of metal broke. But I beat. No. No. Do not trust it.
I'm gonna let my husband taste it, but I don't know if he's fan of those pork skin. But he eats oxtail though. So I guess You might like it.
Oh.
You know what? I'm gonna put pinakurat in it para anghang.
Oh, go.
I got some pinakurat. Do not move too much, Giovanni.
That's the camera. That's what me, Mom. It says deleted when someone is moving. If someone is moving to a different place.
Pinakurat. I know this one is originated from Iligan. Put it here. Sir Harris, masarap ka palang magluto. It's good. I would not be able to finish this rice. It's too much. Don't open your eyes like that.
I need to poop.
Oh no!
Mommy will be the main person right now. I'm gonna go down.
Oh, there. Who wants to poop?
Hold it.
I'm holding it. That's alright. You're fine. Who's gonna poop? Lamig man din yung dinakdakan, no? Saan siya? Liver? Dili mo ka na kung ba nani basta na liver. Where's the liver?
Here's my pants!
Siguro. Lama. I'm not.
Is the video done?
Almost. It's already 10 minutes. I cannot finish this everything. I don't eat that much anymore. Nangahulog. Let's eat it. Yummy. Yummy dinakdakan. And yummy pork barbecue. I think I'm just gonna save this one for tomorrow because I cannot eat the whole thing. Ako raman po yung mukha na ni. Ganina pag hani nila ni sir o ni ma'am, I was still busy cooking. Grilling, I not cooking. I love it. Maybe a little bit more of halang lang, halang. Pero ikaw na bahala, magbutang ka. Basin di ako ba dili ganahan ang halang. Ikaw na lang, imong preference na lang unsa ka halang imong gusto. Bye. Thank you for watching. I have a drink here. Sprite. Good thing it did not burst. Tap your chest. Bye.